Hi guys, it's Nikki here and this is Charlie. So today we have another accessory unboxing, installation and review for our Tesla Model Y. So let's go! So we have another product to showcase onto our channel, and we will share the link of these items in the description down below along with our discount code. So this is a MAGBAK wireless charger for Tesla, and this one is designed to hang off the driver's side of the center screen, and it also provides us with a case for our iPhone Pro Max. So thank you MAGBAK for sending us these items. Now let's start with the unboxing. So the wireless charger is compatible with Tesla Model Y and Model 3, and right here when you open it, it comes with the installation instruction, and it also has an extra 3M sticker and also an alcohol prep wipes. And it also comes with a power adapter with a USB-C connection. So the charger itself, it feels very solid, and I think it's made of aluminum and it feels rubberized, and it also comes with a mounted 3M tape, and it's wired with a USB-C cable. And now let's unbox the phone case. And this one is for the iPhone Pro Max, and it is MagSafe compatible, and its package looks very nice. And we choose the clear ones, but they do have different colors on the website, so be sure to check it out, okay? So let's try and see how it feels with the phone in. And the case feels good and sturdy, and it has a soft touch grip all around. And it also comes with a magnet or a mag stick with this, so you can mount your phone anywhere if you like. So now let's go to the garage and my husband will do the installation.
Hi guys, Archie here again, and thanks baby for that awesome unboxing of those items. And let's go hop in the car and let's do the installation. Let's go. This installation for MAGBAK wireless charger, it's super simple. I'm going to mount this right over here behind the screen. Let's get started. It comes with alcohol pads, so I'm gonna clean this really good. Okay, I think that's good enough. And then I'm going to peel this one off. And now I'm going to slide the charger into place really slow, because once this stick, that's it, it's hard to get it off, so I have to be very careful here. Alrighty then, I think that's it. I'm gonna hold it for about 30 seconds to make sure it's secured. Look at that, it's almost like a same color of the back of the screen. Look at that, very nice, good job MAGBAK. Okay, now I'm going to run the wiring here and tuck it in using this pry tool, just like that. And run it through here, but there's nothing we can do with this one because there's nowhere to tuck it in, so I'm just gonna tuck it in here. It's okay, you can see it a little bit, but not a big deal. Just like that. All right, looking good. And now I stuck it in here. Yep. Just like that. Keep tucking, and hide that wire. Yep, I think that's good enough. Now open this and I'm gonna show you how to hide this wire. Okay, all you have to do is pry this one open. 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to the 4th clip. And now I'm going to use my T20 screwdriver to unscrew this 2 screws. Okay, all right, so this is how it looks. I ran the wire through here underneath this metal thingy, and that's it. I'm just gonna put everything back and see how it looks. All right, I put those screws back, and then let's put this thing back on. Just tap it like that, and that's it. Voila. All right, let's put this USB-C adapter here. See if it's gonna work. All right, plug this in. Now let's try if it's gonna work. I have iPhone 13 mini for work, and this is without the case. Okay, it's right here. Let's see if it's gonna charge. All right, it looks like it's charging. Awesome. All right, now let's try my wife's phone with her MAGBAK iPhone case. All right, it looks like it's charging. Awesome. All right, so very nice. Thank you, MAGBAK. I'm very impressed with this MAGBAK wireless chargers design. It's very easy to install, and it really looks good with Tesla Model Y's interior, and provides a convenient charging solution. You could do FaceTime here, you could receive calls without having to reach down here. It doesn't seem to be a distraction while driving. Thank you for joining us for this review, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos. See you in the next one.